UST is quite famous for having the most loyal and vocal supporters. How did the whole Tomasian community help you in getting yung historic chip na yan noong 2006?
Wala, syempre yung chant na Go Oste na sobrang alam natin na the whole Tomasian community na very proud and thankful kami. The whole UST community, sila talagang six-man namin, kuya. Syempre naman, di kami mananalo kung wala yung crowd. Kasi I think UST has 40,000 students. Napakadami atang umattend nung Game 3. Game 1, Game 2, Game 3 of the 2006 finals. At actually, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko ma-explain kung ano unexplainable joy. Ibang klaseng environment yung nangyayari niya. At siguro hanggang mamatay nga kami, hindi namin madidescribe kung ano talagang feeling ng Go Oste crowd na yan.